Welcome to know about Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp review. The Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp is a training program that helps you make money by promoting Clickfunnels, a sales funnel builder. The program is specifically designed to help people retire in 100 days. I'll be upfront here, it is free training, so I personally would just sign up right now. There is a ton of value that others would charge thousands for. Developed by the famous internet marketer, Russell Brunson, Affiliate Bootcamp was specifically created to be a complete training course for Clickfunnels affiliates to market and sell Clickfunnels products and services. Here is a detailed Clickfunnels affiliate program review. Click the link below this video for more updates. Contents 1. Clickfunnels Affiliate Program Overview. Pros, Cons. Conclusion 2. Does Clickfunnels have an affiliate program? 3. How does Affiliate Bootcamp work? 4. What exactly is the sticky cookie? 5. Is the Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp legit? 6. Becoming a Clickfunnels affiliate. 7. Clickfunnels Affiliate Program FAQs. Where do I get my Clickfunnels affiliate link? What is Tipalti and how do I sign up? When do I get paid? What are referred affiliates? Is there a Clickfunnels affiliate leaderboard? 8. What does the Clickfunnels affiliate program offer? How to build an online business. How to use Facebook ads. 9. Can you really make money with this affiliate program? 10. Does the program provide customer support? 11. The final verdict, Clickfunnels affiliate program review. Thanks for watching this video.